Hello, a quick video to show you how to set up a password protected page on your website. At this moment, I'm designing a template which people can buy and they can view a live demo if they put in a password. So I've not designed it yet in any way, but I'm setting it all up. You might want to set up a password protected page for, say you're a photographer and you have a load of photographs that you want to show, or a videographer. I'm working with a videographer at the moment, and he's worked with loads of amazing companies, but he doesn't have the permission to show them on his website. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a load of password protected pages so that he can send to potential clients when he's chatting with them, and they'll be behind a lock screen. They can just enter the code, and so it's not public, and he can share all those beautiful videos and portfolio that he has. So same with a photographer or a designer or anyone that needs to send something that shouldn't be basically out in the world. Another reason why you might have a password protected page would be, say you're a photographer and you want to upload a load of images for a client. You might want to just put them all on one page and send it to them, and then they can choose which ones they like. There's so many reasons why you might want one. Another reason would be that you're creating a course, or those are just some of the ideas. Go over to settings, and then up here, site availability. At the moment it's private, so I'm going to make it password protected. The password will be I am there. And then upgrade to publish. So basically that means that this will be a published page, but no one will be able to see it unless they put the password in. So upgrade to publish, save, and there you have it. So thanks for watching this. If you want to watch a video on how to change a built-in domain, I'll put a link below. Thanks for watching.